Alright guys, this is Dwipen, and here I can see this one Nifty and Nifty and daily chart, and the last 2 days price formed bullish candle. So here I can see, but one thing very interesting, price just opened a gap down and again price recovered that one. So last 27th, this one 27th June, price opened a gap up. Next day open a gap down, and the third again today price open a gap down and form a bullish candle. So what is the interesting things, and the price fill up this gap up. So here I can see price was gap up, so next price pull back and fill up this gap, and today we was looking for buy above this area. So let me show you here, let me check it in a 15-minute time frame. So very interesting thing. Okay, this one 15-minute chart, let me zoom a little bit. Okay, now here I'm using moving average. Okay, now here last few days we have seen price was respecting moving average 200, this one SMA 200. So price hit and reverse back, again price hit and reverse back, and finally broke this one, again respect this moving average 200 and create a new high, pull back near moving average 200, again price goes up, price not able to break this previous higher point, again today price went exactly near moving average 200. So that is why we was looking for buy, and finally price goes up from this area. So most of the people are thinking, hey, what to do next? So if you wanna enter in this market, so let me show you some support and resistance. First let me draw a support and resistance line for tomorrow, and I connect most important point. So this one most important point, let me make it a little bit bigger. Okay, this one, and another that was supporting level somewhere here, this one daily, and let me show you a resistance line by connecting this higher point. So here I can see this one higher point, and let me show you H1 chart, where is the support and resistance now. So this one H1 chart, and somewhere here price is rejecting from this area today, most important level. Let me show you in a 15-minute time frame. Okay, now here I can see this is our trading setup for tomorrow. So basically my entry point will be above 15,750, this one. So means I'm looking for buy if price drop in this level and form any bullish candle or any buy signal form above 15,750. So definitely I'll go for buy, and my target will be around 15,850 for 100. So in between this range 100 point. Okay, so means I'm looking for buy above 15,700 here. So suppose price open somewhere there and break this supporting line, my target will be around 15,700. that will be my target. Okay, so that will be 50 point in between this range, 50 point target. So I'll close my position. Okay, so basically my entry point buy above 15,750, sorry 50, and a sell below this level. Okay, so if you want to see the global event, so I think market will be very volatile. Today going to release some data, and if you want to see global indices, let me show you first the global major indices. Okay, this one major indices, Nifty and Bank Nifty are negative. So most of the global indices are negative, And if you now see indices future also negative, S&P 500 little bit positive, but still people are waiting for the news. Okay, so if news are it's not positive, so I think price will drop and it will gap up and it will continue toward the 16,700. So we are expecting. Okay, so basically we are focusing on sell below this level and a buy above this level. And if you now see my trading setup, so what is my trading setup? Let's check it. Let me use, okay, and let's check it, my 5-minute chart. Okay, it's taking time. Okay, data is not loading. So basically I'm looking for buy in this area, above this area, and if price break or gap down, so definitely I'll continue to the downside. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.